I don't date because of hunger.
Yes.
I don't care. I literally actually am much more expensive because I want personality and a character. I don't care what you have. Because my life has taught me that I can do for myself. I'm not the looking for taking care of type of person. Emotionally, yes.
Yeah, this is so mouthful, ne? I'm just gonna share my thoughts as well. I totally agree with Usilesta Ntuli and Aisho Uguti. We shouldn't date for hunger. We should be capable of doing things for ourselves. Ngoba sinale generation where osisibethu they demand so much from men. Or indoda must. Yonke leyo nto leyo. I remember I once saw a meme ethi, you busy saying you will never date a man ongenamoto kodwa ubaba wakho wayengenayo nekiriva. Ubaba wakho wayenesigqoko esasibhalwe ihansa. Means that your father was living out of handouts and all that, but you are here saying that you will never date a man who doesn't have a car. I hear all of that, and I totally agree with Usilesta Wuti. You cannot give what you don't have, right? Kodwa ke another part engadinga mina ukuthi ngi-ede in this whole thing is that we should allow men to be men, right? Kunamadoda who feel so manly when they take care of you. Allow them to do ama roles wokuba yindoda kwi-relationship. It doesn't mean that when you're not capable of doing whatsoever. As much as amanye amadoda ekholela ukuthi fanele sibe ku 50-50 type of thing, kunamadoda who feels ukuthi they get a drive because they're taking care of their women. We've got again other men who wants to be so superior kwi relationship. Mangithi superior, abafuna ukuoppressa, abafuna ukwenzela yonke into so that uyazi ukuthi awulutho ngaphandle kwapho. I don't think sometimes women date men. Not all women date because of what datiswa indlala, but they've met men who understands the assignment. They've met men who believes ukuthi ngiyazi ukuthi umuntu wami angeke alinde mina ukuze ngizothenga i-onion ekhaya, but I know my role in a relationship. I know ukuthi fanele mina ngingebe ubani ku relationship, because now we cannot invalidate indaba yokuthi men should be providers ku relationship. I love Celeste when she mentioned things that she prefers in a relationship. Ngike ngabuza ngelinye ilanga ngathi, is it wrong when you are in a relationship with someone and that someone always takes you out, spend a lot of money, and you're going through a patch? Yoguti, you are in a space where financially you are stretched. Njengoba washo usli wa ku Durban, Housewives of Durban, financially stretched. Lendo diyakhipha every weekend kusagephi, but uyazi ukuthi efridgini unamanzi ne-onion. Is it wrong to say, babe, bengicela ukuthi namhlanje singaphumi yazi sithandwa sami, bengicela ukuthi sithenge ukudla sizokupheka la ekhaya, nginenkinga kanje? Are you still being categorized as that woman who's dating for hunger? I'm just asking, is it wrong to be that woman who says, sithandwa sami, mina ngiyazazi ukuthi la ekhaya umsebenzi wami yini, kodwa nawe ngiyafuna ukuthi role yakho uyazi? Other men, they never want to date women aba independent ngoba banalento ukuthi they are very rude, they are uncontrollable, they are pride yabo, they don't know when to use pride yabo as women because of they are so independent. When do we distinguish in our relationships ukuthi indoda manje ayingenelele ibonisa ubudoda bayo? Akekho umfazi ongathanda ukuspoiliwa, but spoiliwa because you want to be, not because everybody's doing that. mina guys ngiyathanda ukuba iqanda leGrootman. Uze wathi i-cousin yami the other day, ngifuna indoda mina engizokuthi around yona ingqondo yami ingasebenzi. Ngifuna indoda ezongicabangela. Are you dating because of hunger? Are you dating because everybody is saying that on social platforms or what? What is to be spoiled in a relationship? What is to be in a relationship for circumstances? Ukuthi, I need to be with this person because of they take care of me. I was having a conversation in Intombazane. I've got a cousin, omuhle, and a boyfriend yakhe he means a trophy, but he makes sure ukuthi akam empower. He's that guy ukuthi angamthatha amse Mauritius than ukuthi makathi ucela esikolweni amnikeze imali esikolweni. Uyila out yokuthi angamthengela ivoucher yase Woolies than ukuthi amfakele imali ku account yakhe. When is to say you are dating for hunger, or you are dating with someone because you love them and they enjoy spoiling you? Because I've learned ukuthi amadoda, they like to show up. Indoda ekuthandayo, I'm not just saying amadoda. Angikhulumi ngamadoda athathe lento athwele. I'm just talking about a guy okuthandayo. Indoda mayikuthanda loves to show up. Uyafuna ukushow up for wena akubonisa ukuthi baby I'm here. You know? And now would you do the same for them? Let's say umuntu wakho kusasa uvuka naye akekho grand. Would you do that for them as they show up for you? The question is, are we really dating for hunger, or are we dating because we love and we know our roles in relationships? Are we dating because we take care of ourselves but we still enjoy to be taken care of our partners? Amadoda ngisho ngithengele nje into encane ngixoxele uye ajabule. So is women. But when are we distinguishing, or how do we distinguish ukuthi now you're dating for hunger, you're being a gold digger, you're dating to gain, or you allowing a man to play a role as a man in a relationship? Ngiyamuzwa njengoba ngishilo ukuthi ngiyamuzwa Celeste lento ayisho, but my confusion in this whole thing, when are you gonna allow a man to show up? When are you gonna allow him to feel like a man? Khona madoda angeke akudla ukudla kwakho angakwazi ukuthi kuqhamuke phi ngisho usebenza. At it doesn't feel right that I didn't even give you money and say baby imali yegrocery. At it's fine if kuye kwafika uThabo mina ngingusipho wakunikeza imali wena wathathe kaThabo wathenga ngayo ukudla, kodwa kubalula ukuthi ngikudle lokudla because of nami I know ukuthi ngeke ngakunikeza imali yokudla. Angikwazi ukuhamba mina ngiyindoda ngiyolala embedeni wentombazana ngingayazi ukuthi lo mbhedo wathengwa ubani, even if usebenza, kodwa it makes me feel okay to know that I take care of you. So ngiba peaceful eating that food knowing ukuthi bengeke ngakunika imali. When and how do we distinguish ukuthi you're dating for money, you're dating because of hunger, or you're dating because you love someone and you are allowing them to show up and knowing the roles in the relationship?